Hi everyone, my name is John and I'm owner of JPorts and I'm here to teach you how to become a reseller, a good reseller, a reseller that's successful. And to do that today, our lesson number 4 is right here. It's lesson number 4, it's outsourcing. Outsourcing. Now, as a reseller, you might be really you might know everything about brands, you might know everything about your concept. You might be a fantastic advertiser. You might be a word wizard. You might be fantastic at customer service or even just photography. But more than likely, you're not so good at something. And that's where outsourcing becomes important. When you're starting out, also budget is important too. For example, JPort's logo, well, maybe it's not particularly fancy, but I've never been very good at visual graphic design. It's not a strong point of mine. And so what I did, I felt like, okay, I'm creating my concept, I'm creating my brand. What do I need to do? I need to create a logo, but I don't know how. I don't know what to do. I had the idea, the image of what I wanted to make, but what program do I use? Do I teach myself? Do I spend hours on YouTube learning how to create something in CAD or Photoshop? I don't even know how to use Photoshop. Well, the answer is outsourcing, and here it is. This is my tip for today. The secret little tip is the website Fiverr. Fiverr is an amazing website for outsourcing. It's whatever you need done for $5. Well, that's the base price anyway. Sometimes they'll add a few extra dollars on, or you can give them a tip afterwards if you feel like they did a good job. And so that's also a good thing too. People are always wanting to do a good job for you for just $5. And hopefully they'll earn your, your happiness, and you'll give them a tip as well. But the base price is $5, and you can get, for example, right down here, you can see that it says logo design right here. Also social media. You can get marketers to market for you. You can get people to add people to your groups. Sometimes I would be careful about that because they might be just fake users as well. You can you can get people to do voiceovers. There you go. Translation, illustrations, and there are so many things that people can do for you. And the other point is, now a lot of these people, they might be based in America, they might be based in, for example, India or the Philippines, or somewhere where $5 is worth a lot more money. And $5 could get them through the entire day. That could be an entire day's wage. I think now I'm just sound privileged. But it might be. $5 is still worth a lot more in some other countries, and so the what you get for is usually for what you get for $5 is usually pretty incredible on this website. And either that, or they're just experts and they know how to do what you've asked for very, very quickly and effectively and efficiently, and so then they only have to charge $5 as well. For example, logo design. This was designed by an American guy, and the great thing is also, once I opened up and I paid him, and now we're connected as well. So whenever I need a new logo made, whenever I need some more graphic designs made, I can just send him a message, say, hey man, how you doing? Can you design this for me? And he'll say no problem, and he might give me a discount. He might do something else. We might even become we might contract each other or something. And so that's how I've met some people who have really been able to help my business grow, and usually for great prices as well. That's a lot of, I've been doing illustrations, I've been doing marketing, and they've shown me how to do things. I've learnt seeing how they did it, and I've become a better business manager and a better reseller for it. So Fiverr is a great place to start. Fiverr is a great place to connect with professionals who are willing to do jobs for sometimes $5. It's pretty incredible. There's other ways as well that you can do, and you can do outsourcing. For example, I do outsource my IT work. I did study a little bit of IT. I know how it all works, but I don't have time to be doing IT work. So we outsourced to the Philippines, an IT professional in the beginning, who created a JPorts invoicing tool, which we use every single day, and it saves us about 5 minutes on every invoice we send. Nowadays, all we have to do is it auto looks up someone's name and make sure that they have their name on our database. It grabs their email, and then we can just add in our C tag, our SEQ number, and then that then just adds the price into it. It's so easy because we outsourced, and that was just, very, very, very much worth it. So from the beginning, I recommend Fiverr, and then as you grow your business, then I can recommend maybe even full-time outsourced professionals that are helping you from other countries. But like, for example, virtual assistants, they can check your messages, they can do customer service for you. There's so many things that they can do and help you with that I absolutely recommend it, because your time is important. Your time is best spent doing whatever you do best, whether that's writing ads, whether that's taking photos, whether that's anything. Yes, I outsource my photos too. I have a photographer come in and take all our photos. He's a better photographer than me, and it makes my business better, and it saves me time. That's my recommendation. My recommendations to you guys. Outsourcing is an important thing, and it's a way to scale and grow your business. Do it. No matter how small your business is, how big your business is, you'll need help from other people. And you're not just a one-man show that can do everything. I like to think of myself as a jack of all trades. I can do a lot of things, but not as good as a professional or someone that has the correct training. Okay, so that's it for our lesson number 4 today, which is outsourcing. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you'll be able to take something away. And good luck on your trip, your mission to become a successful reseller. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.